An attribute area that we haven't had a chance to talk about is the NURBS tessellation area. So we'll start off with a blank scene here, and we'll just create a NURBS primitive sphere. This is the easiest to work with because you'll see very quickly here what we're going to do with this. Okay, so I'm going to take this and I'm going to go to shading, wireframe on shaded. That way when we have this deselected, you'll see exactly what's going on. All right, we'll select this and we'll go to shave, create new hair, and I'm going to just choose the red head just because it's a little bit easier to see. Okay. And now let's go into the attributes for this. And let me go up to, actually, let me go to hair display, turn on the guides. And under this, right above it, is the NURBS tessellation property. So under that attribute, let's set this to 1 and 1, just because it's a little bit easier to see what's going on. Now, if you take a look, when it's set to 1 and 1, wherever these vertices meet at the point on the surface where the two isoparms cross, we have a guide hair coming out. Okay, so if I set this to 2, watch what happens. Now between here I have 2. So here's 2, and then so 2, 2, 2. Okay, you can see how that's connected. If I go the other direction, I now added one in between here. So if I set this to 3 and 3, you see how those are all connected together. Let me set this back to 1 just so it's easier to see. Okay, so in the U direction, I've got them on all these spans going in this direction. All right, so that's a very quick and easy way of identifying how these guide hairs are going to be distributed. Unfortunately, just unlike polygons where you have a number of faces that control the guide hairs, you don't have that on a NURBS surface, but you do have this set of properties. Now, of course, if you don't want them in certain areas, all you have to do is select the cut tool and just go in there and cut these out and make yourself a bald spot. So just remember, it goes right through that NURBS surface. So it's going to be bald on the back side too, where I was just chopping those off. So if you want to just control certain areas that you want bald, just go in, select those guide curves, guide hairs, and chop those off. So that's a quick and easy tip on how to use hair on shave and haircut on NURBS surfaces.